Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to explore a supplement that's grabbing a lot of attention in the world of nutrition and weight loss, Crave Burner. If you're struggling with appetite and want to discover an effective way to stay on track and feel great, keep watching. I'll tell you all about this product and why it might be exactly what you need. What is Crave Burner? Let's get straight to the point. Crave Burner is a supplement designed to help control appetite and support weight loss. With an innovative formula, it combines natural ingredients that promise to work wonders on your journey to a healthier, fitter body. Imagine being able to control that irresistible urge to snack between meals. Crave Burner does just that. Its formula is designed to reduce hunger, helping you avoid those extra calories that can sabotage your efforts. We know how challenging it can be to stick to a low-calorie diet. With Crave Burner, it becomes easier. By reducing hunger, it helps you maintain a balanced diet and burn fat more efficiently, making your weight loss goals more achievable. Who doesn't love feeling satisfied after a meal? Crave Burner helps increase the feeling of fullness, making you feel well-fed and less likely to reach for additional snacks. Those uncontrollable cravings for sweets or fried foods? Crave Burner helps manage those impulses, making it easier to maintain a healthy, balanced diet. In addition to controlling appetite, the supplement contributes to better well-being and higher energy levels. This means that with less focus on food, you can feel more energized and motivated in your daily life. Staying motivated can be a challenge during the weight loss journey. Crave Burner helps keep that motivation high, providing the support needed to stay on track toward a healthier lifestyle. One crucial point we can't forget: always purchase Crave Burner through the official website. This ensures that you're getting a genuine, high-quality product. Additionally, buying from the official site allows you to take advantage of exclusive offers and guarantees not available elsewhere. Don't risk your health with counterfeit products. If you're ready to transform your routine and take a firm step toward a healthier lifestyle, click the link in the description below to purchase Crave Burner directly from the official site. Take the opportunity to control your appetite and achieve your weight loss goals with a trusted supplement. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.